All right, so while we wait on Apple to release the next beta of iOS 18.2, we did just receive 18.1.1 on our iPhone 16. That is just gonna have some bug fixes. What's interesting is we have not experienced a ton of issues or interruptions using 18.1, but to see this iterative update coming, that is always good to see. Battery life on the 16 has been pretty decent, so we're not sure what all this update entails. Obviously, as a double dot release, we're not going to have new features. Let's go ahead, check out the build number, and jump right into it. Okay, so this should be a quick and easy video for us today. Nothing major, again, is expected in this build, but as you can see, the iPhone just finished updating to 18.1.1. With this build, even in Apple's release notes, it simply says that this is recommended for all users, and it is just important security fixes here. So jumping into settings, general, software update, you'll see 18.1.1 is installed, and then checking out the build number here, you can see 18.1.1 has a full build number of 22B91. So as you can see, it says this update provides important security fixes and is recommended for all users. For information on the security content of softwares, you can obviously go to the support website and it will break a little more down. However, it is just more generic information and not too much specifics. If you keep scrolling through, you will get a little more details. However, again, it does take Apple quite a bit of time some days to update these security notes. Beyond that, let's take a look at battery health like we traditionally do now on these updates. This phone is obviously not running the betas like our 16 Pro Max is. And if you go to charging, you can see we keep it to 100%, no charging limit, and under battery health with 9 cycles here, we obviously still have 100% capacity. Newer phone, not to not be expected. Let's just actually jump around here a little bit and see how fluid everything is running. And since this is not a beta build, it seems to be working pretty well actually. Just jump around here. Yeah, so we're not experiencing any issues here. One thing I am curious to see if they've improved on is the control center updates. It has been so janky when you actually want to resize widgets or move them around. You got to play with this for some time to get it just how you like. It is not as convenient or user-friendly as you would expect, unfortunately, from Apple. So I've heard a lot of similar complaints. If you're experiencing this as well, comment down below if you are seeing the same issues. In the betas, obviously we didn't think too much of it, but jumping back in here now in Control Center on a non-beta device, yeah, we're still seeing it. So let us know what you guys think and find down below. Just a quick video for you guys today to let you know everything's out and available, security update patch, and that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.